New tonight, a family's close call.
Every family needs one of these, no matter what.
They say their carbon monoxide detector saved them. On the same day, a father and his young son just miles away were found dead from carbon monoxide poisoning. WBZ's Louisa Moller is live in ACUSHNET tonight. Louisa?
Well, Lisa, the contrast of these two stories is just startling. Life and death outcomes that could have hinged on a detector that typically costs about $20.
As soon as she opened it up, the carbon monoxide alarm went off.
A leaky furnace caused deadly gas to seep into Joe Furtado's Mashpee home. His wife, the only one there Wednesday morning when their carbon monoxide alarm sounded.
The fire department came, could sensor it right at the door, and told us at that time that no one could be in the house.
The heat was turned off, windows opened. Husband, wife, and 3 kids waited outside.
No lives are lost. All health is good, you know, and it's all the help of a carbon monoxide device.
A stark contrast from a tragedy discovered the very same day. The body of 9-year-old Colin Lopes and his father Joseph found in this ACUSHNET home, along with a lethal amount of carbon monoxide.
Over 3,000 in the basement where the furnace was located. That's 100 times more than what is necessary to trigger the alarm.
A furnace leak also the culprit here, causing a buildup of the colorless, odorless gas. But sadly, there were no carbon monoxide detectors.
I just want to let my dad know and my brother know that I love them. And everything I do from this day forward is for them.
Sobering for a dad who knows this small piece of equipment saved so much.
You know, I'm truly blessed with, you know, on our end as far as how everything happened.
Now, the CDC recommends not only getting a detector for your home, but changing its batteries every time you change your clock. That's in the spring and in the fall. Live in ACUSHNET, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.